To create a custom key for digital monitor, go to Menu, scroll down to Settings, go to Radio Set, Key Function, and select the key you want to program. In this case, we're going to use the button right on top, which is PF3. After that, go ahead and find what we're looking for. In this case, digital monitor, or sometimes they call it in here Digimani. There we go. Digital monitor right here. Go ahead and select that. Now we can back out. Just use P2 to back out. And let's go ahead and try it. So if we turn this on, we get digital monitor single slot, double slot, and off.